Hello and welcome back, everyone. We are continuing this series on solving the reading comprehension with utmost accuracy by using logical hacks and a commonsensical approach of a administrator. So let us start with one of the another question asked in CSAT paper 2023. We will follow our approach and try to solve the question. Let's read the question statement first. Which one of the following statements best reflects the crucial message conveyed by the author of the passage? So the key word here is crucial message. We don't have to find inference, we don't have to find an assumption, we don't have to find an implicit statement. What we have to find is the most crucial message. So the author might have given other messages also, but we have to find the most crucial one. The crucial one will be the one which is based on the broad theme of the passage. So firstly, we will try to eliminate the options only. So we can minimize our efforts at reading the comprehension. So let us look at the options first. Option A, businesses that cause emissions may need to close down or pay for pollution in future. Now this statement seems sensible. We cannot eliminate it for now. So let's keep it on hold. Uh, let's get to the option B. The only solution is technological development related to the issues of climate change. Now, this statement seems to me problematic in the sense that it is not a reasonable statement. No educated person can give such a crucial message that only solution is technological development, since climate change is caused by multiple things. And apart from technological development, various other things we have read in general studies, we read in the newspaper that afforestation, reforestation, and agricultural soil management, forest management, multiple things are necessary to deal with climate change. So just technological development cannot be a solution to climate change. So we can outrightly reject this statement. It cannot be a crucial message made by an educated person, right? So we have eliminated option B. Waiting to deal with carbon emissions until technology improves is not a wise strategy. This is a reasonable statement. We shall keep it on hold for now. Option D. Since future technological change is uncertain, new industries should be based on renewable energy sources. Now, see, this statement is giving a bit of agnostic impression that we do not know what is going to happen in the future with the technological changes. So let's keep all the new industries on renewable energy sources. This seems to be a bit of uh, extrapolated and not a sensible statement which could be made by a sensible person, right? So we can easily eliminate this option also, because it is giving a negative kind of feeling, since future technological message change is uncertain. A crucial message cannot be such, right? So on this basis we can eliminate B outrightly and D also, because D is not giving a comprehensive picture of anything related to climate change, right? Now let's get to the reading of the passage. We have not read the passage as of now because we want to we want to reduce our efforts at reading the comprehension. So just by eliminating the options first, we can quickly get to the right answer. Now let us do the exercise of finding out the broad theme. Read the passage very quickly. The emissions human put into the atmosphere now will affect the climate in the middle of century and onwards. Technological change, meanwhile, could make a future transition away from the fossil fuels cheap, or it might not, leaving the world with a terrible choice between sharply reducing emissions at huge cost or suffering through the effects of unabated warming. Businesses that do not hedge against the threat of uncertain outcomes fail. The world cannot afford such recklessness on climate change. So in the starting also it has said that human emissions are putting the climate crisis. Technological change may provide a solution, or it may not provide a solution, and the solution may be cheap or it may not be cheap. So what technological change is going to do is uncertain, whereas the businesses who do not protect themselves against this climate catastrophe will definitely fail, it is saying this. And the world cannot afford such recklessness. So what is the broad theme and the message is that technological development regarding climate change, whether it will be cheap or not. So the author basically suggests that to address the issue of climate change, which is a big issue in front of humanity, we just cannot rely on technological development, because it is outrightly saying that technological change may help us in transitioning away from fossil fuel, cheap or it might not. So there is no clarity regarding technological change in dealing with climate change, right? So this is the broad theme, and if we do not deal with this thing, the recklessness on part of climate change would be a difficult thing for the world. So this is what the passage is saying. So now let's look at the options again. Option A: businesses that cause emissions may need to close down or pay for pollution in future. No, the passage is saying that businesses who will not be able to deal with climate change will fail. It never says that they are going to pay for emissions and all of that thing. So option A is beyond the scope of the passage, because the passage nowhere talks about the future possibilities of businesses paying for emissions, right? We were left with option C also. So let's look at the option C. Waiting to deal with climate emissions until technology improves is not a wise strategy. This is the most comprehensive, simple, and practical statement. It resonates with the overall demand of the question. And the theme was, we have identified the theme that we cannot rely just on technological development. This option C is also saying the same. So this is the crucial message given by the author. This is how you can reach to the right answer, by eliminating the wrong ones, getting to the passage, scanning the passage, and coming to the this thing. So this will take you around 1.5 to 2 minutes if you do this exercise regularly till your examination. Try to solve all the questions, all the CSAT question from 2013 or maybe 2015 to 2023. We will also come up with more of such question in the upcoming times. So thank you for watching. Please support our channel. Thank you and happy learning till then.